Game memory errors and crashes on any PC. 1. Restart your PC, close all running programs, restart your computer, launch the game again, check if the memory error is still appearing. Number 2. Close background programs, press Ctrl-Shift-ESC, open Task Manager, go to the Processes tab, close unnecessary apps using high amounts of RAM, avoid closing essential Windows processes, launch your game again. Number 3. Increase virtual memory, press Win-R, type sysdm.cpl, press Enter. Go to Advanced Performance Settings, select Advanced, click Virtual Memory, Change. Disable Automatically Manage Paging File Size if needed. Select your Windows drive, choose System Managed Size. Click Set OK, restart your PC. Number 4. Free up storage space, open File Explorer, check the drive where Windows is installed, keep sufficient free space available. Remove unnecessary temporary files, empty the recycle bin, restart the PC. Hunter 5. Clear temporary files, press Win-R, type %temp%, press Enter. Select the files you can safely delete. Skip files that Windows says are currently in use. Repeat with temp, restart your PC. 6. Verify game files, open Steam or your game launcher. Open the game's properties or manage section. Find the option to verify or repair files. Start the verification process. Launch the game after it finishes. Lower in-game settings, open the game's graphics settings, reduce texture quality, lower shadow quality, reduce view distance if necessary, disable unnecessary high-resolution texture packs, restart the game. Number 8. Update graphics drivers. Download the latest compatible driver from your GPU manufacturer's official software or website. Install the driver, restart your PC, test the game again. Number 9. Repair Windows system files, open command prompt as administrator. Run sfc/scanow, wait for the scan to finish, restart your PC. Number 10. Check Windows memory. Press Win-R. Type mdsshed.exe, press Enter. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. Allow Windows Memory Diagnostic to complete. Check whether Windows reports any memory problems. 11. Disable unnecessary overlays. Temporarily disable Steam overlay. Disable Xbox Game Bar if you don't use it. Disable Discord or GPU overlays. Launch the game again. Check whether the crash continues. Number 12. Reinstall the game as a last resort. Uninstall the affected game. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game. Verify the game files. Launch it with default graphics settings first.